inspired to do a video because I just got this white shirt here. I have never had before a white shirt with completely nothing on it. There's always something printed on it, so I'm very happy. This shirt here is from Gap. I think this looks very simple and minimalistic, and I like it very much. And I don't know where I saw it before, but I think it looks really good if I'm wearing a white shirt, I'm wearing flip-flops. It looks very simple in the summer, and then get a light, medium, tan skin, put my hair up, and then wear a red lipstick. So today we're going to do a red lipstick look. I hope you guys like it, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to light up a cinema apple candle. It smells amazing. Put it on the side. for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like the look. I like this red lipstick makeup look very much. The lipstick I'm wearing is a lip pencil from Nudestix in the color Stiletto. I think the whole thing works really well and I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what for other makeup looks would you like to see from me. I hope you will have a good day and see you all next time. Bye!